Do you want to be unforgettable when you're on stage? Do you want to leave your indelible mark on your audience? Have them love you and be the presenter everyone loves. And they're talking about your message in the hallway. Well, look, that doesn't just happen. Back in the 1990s, I was working really hard, doing everything I could, speaking everywhere I could. I wanted to be unforgettable, but honestly, I didn't have a step-by-step process, and I didn't know what adjustments to make to be unforgettable. And it wasn't until I met Mark Brown, world champion of public speaking, and Patricia Fripp, Hall of Fame icon in the speaking world, where they gave me the insights I needed, and Patricia Fripp gave me a step-by-step process. What's the world-class process that you're following? It will make everything easier, faster, and most importantly, make you more impactful every time you take the stage. Look, you want breakthroughs? Join us for Stage Time workshops. We've got humor workshop. We've got an unforgettable presentations workshop, that step-by-step process. And we got to get coached where you can get coached. Go to stagetimeworkshops.com. Spend 2 to 3 days, live or virtual, with the world-class coaches that'll give you the insights you need. Look, after these 2 or 3 days, you'll never look at presentations the same way again. Guaranteed. Check out stagetimeworkshops.com.